Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing good and having a wonderful day. In this video, we are going to see that how we can abuse file upload functionalities that allows only PDF files to be uploaded. So we are going to see that how we can upload malicious PDF files to do bunch of interesting stuffs. And I'm going to keep this video a series of videos where we're going to learn that what are the things that we can do by uploading a PDF file, right? In this video, we're going to see that how we can escalate a PDF file to do cross-site scripting vulnerability. And as always, before going to this video, if you haven't checked out my previous video in which I've shown you that how we can exploit or find business logic vulnerability, then go ahead and check it out. The link of that particular video is given in the description, as well as you can click on the link given at the right side of the screen to check out that particular video, right? And now with that being said, let us get started. So now what we need to do is we need to download a PDF file in which we are going to embed our own malicious code, right? And for this video, we are going to see that how we can embed a JavaScript code in a PDF file to execute cross-site scripting, right? So let us first download the PDF file. So I'm just going to open my browser over here, and using a simple doc, we are going to download a PDF file. So let's just wait for a few seconds over here. Here we are. Just stop this and let me just turn off my proxy from here if it is already enabled. Okay, it's not enabled. What we can do is we can type over here site, or we can even type extension equals to pdf, and site equals to star.co.in. okay, this is what we're going to do now, and like this will have this website which is showing a lot of PDF files, right? Let's download any one of them. So we are not going to do anything with this websites over here. We are just downloading the PDF file. You see, here's the file, and I'm just going to download this, and let me just save this to desktop. Okay, just close this one, and here is the PDF file, and I'm going to change the name. Let's say testing.pdf, right? We have this PDF file right over here, and the first part is now completed. Now the second part is that we want to modify this PDF such that we'll be able to embed our malicious JavaScript code. And in this video, we're going to just see an alert one, right? So if the application at the backend is not stripping away the dangerous codes or the tags of the PDF files, then we'll be able to basically inject the JavaScript code, and we'll see an alert when the file is getting uploaded, right? And just one thing, let me just start the lab as well so that we can see how it is working, right? So I'm just going to my desktop, and we'll just go to this lab, and we'll just start this. Wait for a few seconds, and as you can see, the lab has been started. We can also verify this now, and we can go ahead and type localhost, the port number 8080. You see, this is the web application over here. So basically it's a file upload application, and it is actually based on a real world scenarios, right? So see, if there's an application that is allowing you to upload a PDF file and they're not doing anything in the backend, they're just validating whether the extension of the file ends with .pdf or not. In that case, this scenario will work 100%. For example, I'm just going to upload a random file. First start with a picture file so that we can see if any other files are allowed or not, right? So I'm just going to select this one, and we're going to click on upload, and you see it says that try again, right? So basically it is only allowing the PDF file to be uploaded. And if we try to upload a PDF file, for example, we've just got this PDF file over here, right? Testing. I'm not going to upload this one. Let's upload any random file like test1.pdf. okay, and we're going to just click on upload, and you see it says that the file has been uploaded, right? From this scenario itself, we can confirm that okay, the PDF files are the only files which are getting uploaded, right? And we can verify, and we can access the file like this, upload/test.pdf, and you see we are getting the PDF file, right? So we can access the files from this particular endpoint /upload and the file name. Okay, I'm just going to go back, and as you can see, here is the web application. And now what we need to do is we need to actually add the malicious code in this particular PDF file, right? So what we're going to do is we are going to open a new tab, and we're going to download a tool which is known as PDF to JS injector. Just go ahead and type PDF to JS injector GitHub like this. And you see, you'll see this very first link which says JS to PDF injector, right? You need to click on this one, and don't worry, this link is given in the description as well, right? So you see, this is the application over here. You just need to copy this, and obviously we're going to clone this into our machine, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new directory, let's say PDFs, and we're going to go to this directory, and then we are going to clone this particular tool, right? Clone this like this. And meanwhile, we can also see what this tool is all about, right? So you can see that this tool is used to inject a JavaScript into the PDF file, right? And for this, we actually need to have a PDF file and a JS file, right? Which contains the command we would like to run. Okay, no issues. And as you can see, there's an example also given that if you want to alert something, what we can do is we can simply type app.alert. So it's a bit different in the browser or in the normal web application based XSS. You'll see we simply need to add alert, right? But since it is a PDF file, so we need to associate that alert with the application or the PDF itself. That's why it's saying app.alert and the file name. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use this same command over here. I'm just going to copy this, and let me just go to the directory ddjs to PDF injector, just clear it out. And over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy this command, and I'm going to create a new file. Let's say nano test.javascript. Over here, I'm just going to type control plus shift plus v, and I'm going to paste this into my terminal. Let's save this now. And what I'm going to do again is I'm going to move the file, move the PDF file which we have just downloaded into this particular directory, right? So we know that the file is actually in the desktop, right? So I'm going to go to desktop, and the file name is testing.pdf. I just want to paste it here like this, and you see we've got this testing.pdf over here as well as test.js, right? Finally, let us try to see that how we can use this tool over here. You see that it says that we actually need to specify the PDF path as well as the JavaScript path, and we need to set the or give the absolute path, not the relative path, right? If you see that, you'll get error like this because we have used relative path. So that is the reason why we'll use the absolute path. To find the absolute path, we're going to type pwd, and you see this is the path of this particular directory, JS to PDF injector. I'm just going to copy this one like this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to type java minus jar and the tool name JS to PDF injector, and then I'm going to paste this. And the first thing which we need to provide is the PDF file name, right, which is testing.pdf. And then we need to provide the JavaScript file name, which is test.js, right? So this is basically what we need to do in order to embed our own malicious JavaScript into the PDF file. We'll hit enter. Just wait for a few seconds. And as you can see, it says that PDF contains an encryption dictionary. Please remove it with set all security to be removed. Okay, so it is saying that we are getting this error. So there's some issue with the PDF itself. Let's try to download some different PDF, and we'll see if it will work or not. So again, I'm going to do sitestar.co.in and extension PDF. Let's download some other PDF from here. Let's say this one. Let's go back. Let's download something else. Okay, so we need to download the PDF file itself. Let's just do start.com instead of co.in. Here we are. Let's download this PDF. We are going to download this, and we'll move this into the directory where we have added JS to PDF injector, right? Let me just go to Kali. We'll go to PDFs. Here it is. We'll go to JS to PDF injector, and then we are just going to save this over here like this. Okay, and if I type ls over here, you'll see we'll have this PDF, new PDF over here, this one. I'm going to copy this, and first of all, let me just clear the terminal, and now let's type chmod plus x so that we can just set the permissions. And now it has been given the permission to read, write, and execute. And finally, let's try to execute the same command here. Just change the name from testing.pdf to this file. Okay, let's hit enter. Let's wait a few seconds. Now you see that it has successfully created the poisoned file, right? And the name of the file is jsinject p590b.pdf. Okay, here is the file name. I'm just going to change the file name. So we are just going to change it to, let's say, batman.pdf. Okay, we'll hit enter. And now you see that we'll have this new file, batman.pdf. And now finally we are good to go. And let us test this particular malicious PDF file to see if we are getting an alert or not, right? Just going to refresh this page again, and I'm just going to click on browse. And now if we go here, you see, and if we go to PDFs should be here, yeah. And if we select this file, batman.pdf, now click on open, let's click on upload. And as you can see, the file has been uploaded, right? And now if I try to access it, uploads slash, the file name was batman.pdf, right? Hit enter. And now you see that it is saying hello world, which means that the JavaScript code has actually been executed, right? So what is going on behind the scenes, right? So basically PDF files allow some dynamic behavior through JavaScript, right? So this is the reason why this particular JavaScript code has been executed. If you try to do some more malicious code, maybe sometime it will not work. It will depend on which plugin or which tool is being used in the backend to view the PDF files, right? As you can see, this alert is working now. So from here itself, we can confirm that the application is not stripping out the malicious code of a PDF file before uploading it on the server. What I mean by that is, if we try to view the content of batman.pdf, you'll see what will happen. I'm just going to type mousepad batman.pdf. Let's see the file. Just click on OK. And you should see a JavaScript code over here. Let's go down. Let's search for hello world first. Hello world. Hello world. Oh, sorry, you see over here, here's the JavaScript command, right? So it is being encoded right now. You see this value is the actual code, I guess. So from here itself, we can see that the JavaScript code has been executed and it is allowed, right? So the application or the backend should strip out these particular things before saving the file onto the server, right? So this is basically how we can upload a malicious PDF file to execute or to do cross-site scripting vulnerabilities. I hope that you have understood it. If you have any doubts, if you have any issues, feel free to let me know your doubts or issues in the comment section. Also, do join our Telegram channel if you want to stay updated with the latest trends and technologies going under cybersecurity as well as web development. And if you like the way I teach, then I am currently running 3 courses which are currently at very low prices. The first one is the Art of Web Reconnaissance, where we're going to learn that how we can do a proper reconnaissance before attacking a particular target. So everything is demonstrated on live applications. So it is very useful course for you all. The second course is hacking Windows with Python from scratch, where you're going to learn that how we can create our own custom malware that can be used to hack into a particular Windows machine that can execute shell commands, upload and download files, and a bunch of cool stuff, right? And the third course which I'm running is Bug Bounty, the ultimate guide to hunt account takeovers, where you're going to learn that how we can find a web application misconfiguration that can straight leads to taking over someone's account with little bit of client interaction or no interaction at all, right? So if you're interested, then go ahead and check it out. The link of all these courses are given in the description. So once again, if you have any doubts, please let me know. And with that being said, keep learning, keep hacking, and thank you so much for watching.